Today we will start with how you can create email account in the Yahoo that already they have given in your book. आज हम वो देखेंगे कि कैसे हम ईमेल अकाउंट बना सकते हैं। याहू के अंदर कैसे ईमेल अकाउंट बनाना है वो आपकी बुक में दिया गया है। सो नाउ आई एम फॉलोइंग द सेम स्टेप. Okay, so when you want to create email account in Yahoo, first of all you have to type here yahoomail.com and then press enter. You will get that screen. Here you have to click on create account. Now I want to create a new account, so that time you have to create this account. Okay, so first name, so first you have to give name, then last name, your surname. सो पहले आपको अपना नाम डालना है, फिर आपकी सरनेम डालनी है। फिर यहाँ पे वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि आप अपना ईमेल आईडी कौन सा रखना चाहते हो। सो वो आप ईमेल आईडी यहाँ पे रख सकते हो। उसके बाद आपको उसका पासवर्ड देना है। उसके बाद आपको फ़ोन नंबर देना है जिसके अंदर OTP आएगा, जो आपको उसके बाद में एंटर करना है। सो राइट प्रॉपर फ़ोन नंबर। देन उसके बाद आपको आपकी बर्थ डेट डालनी है। सो राइट योर बर्थ डेट एंड बर्थ ईयर। नाउ उसके बाद आपको जेंडर करना है और उसके बाद आपको कंटिन्यू पे क्लिक कर देना है। उसके बाद प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी आएगी जिसको आपको एक्सेप्ट करके कर देना है। सो दिस वे यू कैन क्रिएट योर email account. Okay, after creating your email account you will get your email ID and then enter your you will get that. Then again you have to press yahoomail.com, so you will get this screen where you have to type your email ID and then press next and then give your password. This way you will enter in your email ID. Clear all of you? Now I have shown you some of the demo of how you can create email. Okay, so first of all, after creating this account, then your account will be open. This is my already opened account. Now in that, if you want to create email, then you have to click here on compose. Okay, you can see here compose. After clicking on compose, it will be give you two option. यहाँ आपको दो ऑप्शन दिए जाएंगे. फर्स्ट इज टू एंड नेक्स्ट इज अ सब्जेक्ट. टू में आप जिसको ईमेल भेजना चाहते हो उसका ईमेल एड्रेस यहाँ पे डालना है. उसके बाद किस रूप में आप किस लिए आप ये ईमेल कर रहे हो उसका सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई करना है. आप देख रहे हो टू के सामने ये CC एंड BCC है. CC मीन्स कार्बन कॉपी. नाउ द सेम वही मेल आप अपने दूसरे कलीग को भी भेजना चाहते हो तो आप उसका ईमेल आईडी यहाँ पे CC में डाल सकते हो. अगर आप अपने अपना ही यही मेल दूसरे को भेजना चाहते हो पर किसी और को खबर ना हो, ऐसे मेल भेजना चाहते हो तो आप उस टाइम BCC का यूज कर सकते हैं. Clear? Now after specifying to and subject you can write your mail here. Clear all of you? I am just random typing here, so you will get where you have to type. Now after typing in a mail you have to click on insert emoji if you want to insert some of the emoji that we are using in WhatsApp, or these all are the emojis that you can insert in it. Clear all of you? Now this is the insert attach file. Means if you want to insert some of the image, some of the paperwork to other person, so that time you can use this attach file. It will direct attach to your computer that you have already saved the document. Okay, so you can see here my computer has already opened. So the PDF file that I want to insert, that I can insert it better, whether it is on desktop, whether it is on D drive, E drive, wherever it will be. Clear all of you? Now next is you can change the text. Okay, so it is the formatting options are also available. If you want to attach the data to the drive, then this option is also available. If you want to insert the photograph, then this option is available. Clear all of you? If you want to delete something, then it will be deleted. Okay, now next what I am doing, I'm just deleting because I don't want it. Now next is this is the inbox. Okay, there are so many mails are there. If I want to delete some of the mails, then select it. You can see whenever I am selecting, the different option has come arrived. So I want to delete it, then I press delete. So delete, all the emails will be deleted that I have selected. Clear all of you? If you want to delete all the mail, then here you can select. Okay, all the mails will be selected. Okay, so that you can delete it. If I'm sending some of the mail, then it will be go in a sent. Clear all of you? So it will be go in a sent. Now this all about email. If you want to change, if you do not send any mail, then it will go to in a draft box. Clear all of you? So it will go to the draft box. All the emails that are not sent, it will be saved in a draft box. You can see here primary, social and promotions are also there where they are save the data. Okay, now I have already shown you how you can create email ID, even though how you can create email ID and how can use the email ID. Clear all of you? So this is all about internet that you have to follow. Clear? Now you can create email ID also, you can send email also, you can send attached file also, you can delete mail. Okay, this is all in your book. Okay, you can follow the step and do it in your way. Now you have to complete the exercise also by your own way. I am giving you the photograph of the exercise, but you have to try first by your own self. Okay, so आप exercise करके अपनी वर्कबुक में कर सकते हैं with the help of pencil. उसके बाद अपने नोटबुक में आपको वो एक्सरसाइज लिखनी है. बट उससे पहले आपको 2-3 दिन में मैं एक्सरसाइज भी भेजूंगी, सो आप इजीली वो कुछ गलत ना लिखो अपनी नोटबुक में. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? सो try to do all the things. Create your email id, create your after creating email id, try to do all the options available. If you don't have any computer at your home, if you are using email id, then well and good. Clear all of you? Email id options are also available in your mobile. You can see the functions of email id in your father's or mother's phone. Clear all of you? Thank you.